Hello, namaste to you all. This is Subash. You can see in my laptop screen here is different type of application. Like this is my website application. This is Google Drive application. So how can we create this type of application on our laptop? So in this video, I am going to show you step and step wise, and be continue to our video. So let's focus on our topic: how to create this type of application. So firstly we need to open Chrome, then after you need to search like which application you want to create from your laptop. So firstly we need to search here, like suppose that if I want to create Facebook application, then search here Facebook. Then after you can see here Facebook login option, we need to press here. Then after in the corner you can see here install application here. Otherwise if you are not seeing see here, then you can just press on three dot, then after scroll down, then after you can see cast, save and share. So press on cast and save option, then after uh, press on install Facebook. Then after you can see here install, then after you can see here the it is edited in taskbar, and so when you cut it, minimize that main page, then after you can see here Facebook application has opened on our laptop. So this way we can create each and every application, like which application you prepare to create apps from your laptop. So this way you can use on your laptop and you can create the application of any application from your laptop. Hope this video is effective for you. Thank you for watching our video.